Ka Jingkiew jong ki kam Thok Pisa ha Meghalaya kalalong ka ba isir kay. Ha ka ba ka jing do nong ru kalong ka ba kraw. Kat kum ka jing ong gitalong kubor ka tanat pulit ka jalana ka por ka penmi ya ka jing batha ban maha mi kinong song persya ikiriu syukur ki ba pendan kam de ki jing berngam ban syakem la kalong lingba ka digital arrest ne ka jing syakem marmet ban dawaru ban ra ka Pisa. Superintendent of Police ka East KHASI Hills ba Vivek Sim ulap pentikna bakila don bonteli ki kap Thok Pisa ki bala yok pediang hakeleng ke district ki bor badai Khmih kila Kyntu ki Paidbah banlong ki ba husiar tenang banlai na ki ba kom kini ki jing sha Thok.
Given advisories from time to time in our social media platforms. We've also given an advisory recently which came out in Shillong Times on this new phenomenon in social media called digital arrest, where people are called and in different forms of actually digital arrest. So people either call that there's a package delivered or it's been nabbed by customs and found narcotics, or they would say that your account is being used for fraudulent means and all that, and then immediately they relay that to a video interface where the victim meets so-called police personnel, either CBI, NIA, or police, state police, civil police, and all that. They are told that a warrant of arrest is against them and all that. And immediately people, without thinking, they get scared, panic and all that, and they succumb, they start paying to avoid the warrant, to avoid arrest.
State President